Mole concept. What is meant by dozen? How many things are they give? 12. What about pair? Any two things. In the same way, for chemical species, we have one quantity, one fixed term that is called mole. 1 mole of any chemical substance must contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Particles may be, don't write them, listen. Particles may be molecules or atoms or electrons or protons or neutrons or anything, right? Called mole. The number which is also called Avogadro's number, which is also called Avogadro's number. Now write down number. Mole is a fixed quantity. Mole is a fixed quantity for chemical substances. Mole is a fixed quantity for chemical substances. 1 mole of any substance. 1 mole of any substance. 1 mole of any substance. Right on. Yes. 1 mole of any substance must contain 1 mole of any substance must contains 6.023 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. 10 to the power 23 particles. Particles may be molecules. Particles may be molecules, atoms or ions, or electrons or protons or neutrons It is also called Avogadro's number. It is also called Avogadro's number. Right? Which is represented by N naught or N suffix am. N naught or N suffix a. Clear? Now write one question. Of any substance is equal to its molecular weight. Write the point, Amma. First one. First conversions we will do mole to molecular weights. First write one statement. The mass of 1 mole of any substance. The mass of 1 mole of any substance is equal to its gram molecular weight. The mass of 1 mole of any substance is equal to its gram molecular weight. Simply we can say it is molecular weight. For example, the mass of 1 mole of carbon dioxide, the mass of 1 mole of carbon dioxide, mass of 1 mole of carbon dioxide is equal to how much? Calculate its molecular mass. That is the atomic weights are most important one. 44. 44. Why? How it is 44? Atomic mass of carbon is 12. Oxygen atomic mass is 16. Here we are having 2 oxygen atoms. That is where 2. 32 plus 12. That is equal to 44. The mass of 1 mole of carbon dioxide is equals to 44 grams. Always it is standard condition. Standard condition. Basics are most important for physical chemistry. Don't forget this. That too, mole concept and equivalence. Equivalence, not equivalent weights. Equivalence. Next question. The mass of 1 mole of nitrogen gas. How much it is? Mass of 1 mole of nitrogen gas. Nitrogen always in 28. It is in N2 state. N2. In gaseous state, it exists as a molecule. N2 molecule. Nitrogen atomic mass 14. 2 nitrogens, 2 into 14 equal to 28. Next one. The mass of 1 mole of chlorine gas. Here I especially mentioned the physical state also. The mass of 1 mole of chlorine gas. The mass of 1 mole of chlorine gas. How many grams? Atomic weight of chlorine is 35.5. Here chlorine gas means Cl2. 1 chlorine has 35.5 atomic mass. 2 chlorines, 2 into 35.5, 71 grams. Sorry. This is 28. This is equal to 71. Next one. The mass of 1 mole of oxygen gas. The mass of 1 mole of oxygen gas. 32 grams. 32 grams. Oxygen in which state amma? Oxygen gas state lo ela untundi? O2 state lo untundi. Gas annam ante entadi? It is always 2, O2, N2, Cl2, O2, 32 grams. Mass of 1 mole of oxygen gas is equal to 32 grams. Oxygen gas nothing but it is present in which state amma? O2 state, N2 state, Cl2 state, like this. Next, the mass of 1 mole of H2, hydrogen gas. H2 always in how many grams? 2 grams, right? Next, the mass of 1 mole of helium gas. Because of all 18th group elements or noble gases are monoatomic gases. They are not diatomic. Helium gas, He, atomic mass of helium 4. EV, all these are mass conversions, mass to mole conversion. Now write one question. How many moles of carbon dioxide? How many moles of carbon dioxide present in? How many moles of carbon dioxide present in 220 grams of carbon dioxide? 220 grams of carbon dioxide. How many moles of? How many moles of carbon dioxide present in 220 moles of, so 220 grams of CO2. Sure? How many moles? First 1 mole calculate cheyam enta ochindi. 1 mole of carbon dioxide, the mass of 1 mole of carbon dioxide is equal to, simple one amma, 1 mole of the mass of 1 mole of carbon dioxide, how much? (44 grams). Now how many grams of carbon dioxide is given? 220 grams. ఇక్కడ ఇటువైపు వేసుకో, 220 grams of CO2. How many moles it is? Here I am taking x mole. Simple one, cross multiplication. On cross multiplication, what we get? X is equals to, simple gamma, 44 into x equal to ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా 220. Therefore x moles equal to 220 by 44, that is equals to 5. How many moles? 5 moles. Next. The number of moles of nitrogen gas present in, number of moles of nitrogen gas present in 252 grams of N2 gas. 252 grams of N2 gas. ఎంతమ్మా ఎంతరా ఇక్కడ చూడం, పర్వాలేదు తర్వాత నేర్చుకున్నాం, అది మొత్తం చెప్తాను కానీ నువ్వు బోర్డు మీద మళ్ళీ నేర్చుకోవాలి, పర్వాలేదు, కంగారు ఏం లేదు, ఎవరికి రాదు, ఫస్ట్ నేర్చుకోవాలి. ది మాస్ ఆఫ్ 1 mole ఆఫ్ N2 గ్యాస్ ఆల్వేస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు 1 mole, ప్రతిసారి 1 mole చేయాలి రిలేషన్. 1 mole ఆఫ్ N2 మాస్ is equal to 28 grams. Same ante ikkada kuda, here also first we calculated for 1 mole. 1 mole of carbon dioxide has 44 grams. Now 252 grams, how many moles? ఎలా చేస్తావు ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నుంచి? Therefore 28 into x equal to 252, x equal to 252 by 28, that is equal to 9 mole. నోటమ్మా. Calculate number of moles of glucose. Number of moles of glucose present in. Calculate number of moles of glucose present in 1620 grams of glucose. 1620 grams of glucose. 1620 grams of glucose. Molecular mass of glucose 180 grams. Very good. One 1620 divided by 180. 9 more. Doubt em లేదు కదమ్మా. Simple calculations most important. Then only you can easily understand somewhat critical question. NEET questions are not tough. NEET physical chemistry questions are very easy. They take only minimum 30 seconds. For reading, 15 seconds. For substitution, 15 seconds. Substitution and get answer. If any question get 40 seconds, it is tough question. Not only from chemistry, physics also. If any question takes more than 40 seconds, it is question. So do it like this. After completion of your NEET paper, then you can go through remaining. Critical one. Mass to mole to mass completed. Now write another statement. One mole of any gaseous substance. 1 mole of any gaseous substance. 1 mole of any gaseous substance occupies. 1 mole of any gaseous substance occupies 22.4 liters of volume. 22.4 liters of volume. 22.4 liters of volume at STP conditions. At STP conditions. Simply we can say the volume occupied by 1 mole of any gas at STP conditions is equal to 22.4 liters. In milliliters, how many milliliters, Amma? Yes, 22,400 milliliter. Right? The volume occupied by 1 mole of any gas is equal to 22.4 liters, 20 or 22,400 ml of volume. Now write one question. Calculate the volume occupied by. Calculate the volume occupied by. Calculate the volume occupied by 2.5 moles of hydrogen gas. 2.5 moles of hydrogen gas. Tell me the answer in liters. 2.5 moles of hydrogen gas. How much you got, Pujita? Two point 2.4 into 2.5. Shiva చూడమ్మా. అయినా 1 mole of hydrogen gas occupies how much of volume, Shiva? 1 mole of H2 gas occupies how much volume? 22.4 liters. 1 mole of any gas, not only hydrogen. Hydrogen gas is equal to mass. Any hydrogens ఉన్నాయి? 2 ఉన్నాయి. So mass equal to mass of hydrogen gas, H2 gas, 2 grams. Mass of 1 mole of 1 mole of hydrogen gas occupies 22.4 liters of volume. Now how many moles are given, Amma? That is 2.5 moles are given. 2.5 mole of hydrogen gas occupies x liters of volume. Therefore x is equal to x is equals to 22.4 into 2.5. How much, Amma? 56? 56 54? 56.56 liters. It occupies 56 liters. 1 mole occupies 22.4. Therefore 2.5 moles occupies 56 liters. Simple questions are most important one. Next one. The volume occupied by 2.5 mole of nitrogen gas is equal to volume occupied by 2.5 moles of nitrogen gas is equal to same same, that is 56 liters, because of 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4. So 1 mole of hydrogen occupies, or 1 mole of oxygen occupies, or 1 mole of nitrogen gas occupies, or 1 mole of any other gas occupies 22.4 liters of volume at STP conditions. So same volume occupied by another gas at 2.5 at STP conditions. Next one. Calculate volume occupied by 40 grams of helium. Calculate volume occupied by 40 grams of helium. Calculate volume occupied by 40 grams of helium. Ma? 448. 448. Calculate volume occupied. Enter my question. 40 grams of helium. Actually, now what we are discussing, Amma? Mole to which one? Mole to volume. Moles kanukkoni tarvata how can we calculate mole? Mole equal to number of moles equal to given weight by gram molecular weight. First calculate number of moles. How can you calculate number of moles? Weight kadama 40 by 4, which means how many moles? 10 moles. So 1 mole of helium occupies how much of volume? 1 mole of 22.4. Now here 10 mole of helium occupies 224 liters. 224 liters. Or same question, can we do in another method? 4 grams occupies how many liters? 4 grams of helium occupies how many liters of volume? 22.4 grams occupies 22.4. What about 40 grams? X equal to 22.4 into 40 divided by 4. Again same. Now write one statement. If any gas occupies 22.4 liters of volume, 22.4 liters of volume, whose molecular weight is equal to whose weight is equal to its gram molecular weight, or atomic weight. Whose weight is equals to its gram molecular weight or gram atomic weight. Statement clear ga undarama? If any gas occupies 22.4 liters, whose weight is equals to its gram molecular weight. If any gas occupies 22.4 liters, how many moles it is? If a gas occupies 22.4 liters of volume, 1 mole, right? ఇక్కడ ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ఇది అలాగే చేస్తాను నేను స్టేట్మెంట్ ప్రకారం. If a gas occupies 22.4 liters, mass 4 grams, 40 grams occupies x liters. Right question number. If a gas occupies 896 liters of volume, 896 liters of volume, 896 liters of volume. If a gas occupies 896 liters of volume, 896 liters of volume, calculate its molecular weight. Calculate its molecular weight. If you have clear concept, then you can do easily. Right. The gas is, if the gas is నైనా క్వశ్చన్ రాయండి. of gas is the weight of gas is 40 grams. The weight of gas is 40 grams. The weight of gas is ఇప్పుడు చేయొచ్చుగా మాలిక్యులర్ మాస్ కనుక్కోవచ్చు కదా పూछता weight of gas is 40 grams. Reverse question. Molecular weight కనుక్కోవాలి. Critical question పడిందా? Simple one. Same question. దీంట్లోనే 896 liters of volume of gas. Calculate its molecular weight. The weight of gas is 40 grams. Weight, hydrogen అడగలేదు, molecular weight అడిగా. 360. సింపుల్ అమ్మా సి
40 into 22.4 by 896.
చూడండి ఒకసారి 896 లీటర్స్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యూమ్ ఆక్యుపై చేస్తుంది. సేమ్ 40 grams of a gas occupies how many liters? 896 liters occupies చేస్తుంది. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏం కావాలి మనకి, వాట్ వీ వాంట్ టు ఫైండ్ మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ఇక్కడ ఎనీ మాలిక్యులర్ వెయిట్ substance with molecular weight occupies how many liters of volume? 22.4 liters of volume. అదే కదా ఇందా చెప్పిన స్టేట్మెంట్, 22.4 liters of volume. ఇందా చెప్పిన స్టేట్మెంట్ అదే కదా. the volume occupied by the mass of, if a gas occupies 22.4 liters of volume, whose the gas mass is equal to its molecular weight. Molecular weight ఇచ్చారు కనుక్కోవాలి. Gas occupies 22.4 liters. Now molecular weight is equals to cross multiplication, 22.4 into 40 by 896. అంతేనా? ఎంత? 22.4 into 40. 896. అది హైడ్రోజన్ అవ్వదు, హైడ్రోజన్ మాస్ 2. అట్లా అర్థమైంది కదమ్మా. మనకి ఎప్పుడు కూడా చూడండి ఇవే ఇవ్వరు, ఇవి ఇచ్చేసి ఇవి కనుక రివర్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. రేపు అడుగు. Tomorrow I will ask questions. Once read now what we discussed. If you read out, ask me now.